Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. I'm Aswini, your IT teacher. Today we are going to see Introduction to MS Excel 2010. Okay, so before going to MS Excel, you need to know what does this MS mean. So what does this MS mean? MS is a Microsoft. So Microsoft is nothing but an organization who have developed MS Excel. They have not only developed MS Excel, they also develop other package of softwares like MS Word, MS Access, MS PowerPoint. So all these packages are put together and they call it as MS Office. So these packages are mainly used for official purpose, hence they are called as MS Office. Okay. So what is this MS Excel is all about? So MS Excel is nothing but a spreadsheet which is used to perform some calculation. For example, if a teacher, if she wants to prepare a mark sheet, so what she will do, she will make a list of names who is there in her class and she will make a list and she will enter all their marks. And if she want to find some average, so all these things she need to calculate manually. So but with the help of this MS Excel, it has inbuilt function also. So by using it, we can do everything by using that function. Okay. So that is the main use of MS Excel. So MS Excel is a spreadsheet which is used for a calculation. Okay. So for a collection of data can be calculated, that is manipulated by using this MS Excel. Okay. And also we have other facilities like we can add charts, we can add line graphs, so all these things can be done with the help of our MS Excel. Okay. So these are the general use of MS Excel. Now we will see how to start MS Excel. So for starting MS Excel, as usual as we do for a Word, the same thing here also you need to follow. So what you need to do, you need to first click the start button and then you need to click all programs, and from all programs you need to select MS Office. From MS Office you need to select MS Excel 2010, that is 2010. Okay, so this version that depends on your OS on the which you install. Okay, so but this MS Excel is mainly supported for Windows. For making it easily accessible, we can pin our MS Excel 2010 in a taskbar, and also we can pin it in our start menu, so that once you click the start menu, at first itself you will get that MS Excel, so that you can easily take and use. Okay, so that is what the purpose of pinning. So similarly, if you ping it in your taskbar, that is I will show you when I am giving demo. So in taskbar, if you are pinging it also, if you want to access it, then you can access by clicking that. Okay, these are the way you can start your MS Excel. As we see in other softwares, similarly this MS Excel also have several components. So what are they? I'll say one by one. Okay. So the first one is Quick Access Toolbar. So what is this Quick Access Toolbar? As the name suggests, Quick Access Toolbar has a tool which is used for quick access. So if you want to, if the most frequently tools can be saved in a quick access toolbar, so that you can, by clicking the icons of it, you can use it frequently. Okay, so that is the purpose of this quick access toolbar. And the second one is a ribbon which contains a sequence of, that is which contains a collection of tabs. So what does this tabs is all about, like file tab, insert tab, layout tab. So all these things have several functions inside them. Okay, so for example, if I am taking a file tab, so what are the functions inside that file tab? I can have the function of new, which is used to create a new workbook, and we can save our existing workbook by using our save or save as option. Okay, and we can also open existing workbook by using open options. All these things are available in our file tab. So similarly, we have other tabs also, like home tab which has font faces and font styles, alignments, all these things are available in our home tab. Okay, and then we have a formula bar. What is this use of this formula bar? So whenever, if you want to give some formula to the cell, that is if you want to perform some calculation, so you will give formula in formula bar. So based on that, that particular operation will be performed. So these things and all you will get more clear when you in your upcoming classes, because you are going to deal with these things. So at the time you will be having much more idea on this. Okay, and then next is the name box. So name box is used to show the cell that is currently active. Okay, so highlighted cell name will be showed in name box. Okay, so I'll give you a picture here so that you can get good understanding. Okay, and then column letters are the Columns are these, 1, A, B, C, D are the columns, and 1, 2, 3 are the rows. So spreadsheet is consist of collection of rows and columns. Okay, and below to that you have a sheet, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So what is this? You have several sheets, and collection of all sheets is called book. So similarly, our book also have collection of sheets, and collectively we call them as books. Similarly, Excel also have collection of worksheet, and collectively we call them as workbook. So in Word we call a single document, whereas in Excel we call them as workbook. Okay, so this is the difference between workbook and worksheet. Worksheet will have only one sheet, whereas workbook will have a collection of worksheets. Okay. So and also in ribbon tabs have so many tabs like home tab, insert tab. So insert tab, what is the use of insert tab is you can insert charts, pie graphs, pie charts, all these things can be done with the help of this insert tab, and you can also add clip arts. So all these things can be done with the help of insert tab. Okay. And page layout is used for page orientation, margin. So all these things when I am showing you will be more clear about it. Okay. And then data tab is used to from where you need to get data. So that source of data can be chosen by using this data tab. Okay. And then review tab is used for some spell checks. So all those tools are available under review tab. And then view tab, so how your workbook it should be. So that view can be shown, can be chosen with the help of this view tab, that is appearance of your workbook. So that can be chosen with the help of your view tab. Okay. So and also this tab, it is mainly classified into 3 types. One is a standard tab, the other one is contextual tab, the third one is program tab. For example, standard tabs are the tabs home, insert, page layout, all those things are standard tabs, whereas contextual tab, what does it mean? Pictures, tools, drawing. So those tabs that appear only when they are needed based on the type of task you are doing. So they are not available always, they comes only when they need. So those tabs are called as contextual tab. Okay. And then the third type of tab is a program tab. So what does this program tab is all about? That replaces a standard set of tab when you switch to certain view or mode. So based on your view changes, it will switch, that is your tab option will switch based on the view or a mode. So those tab are called program tab. Okay. I hope it is clear to you all. So as I have explained already, I have explained you the difference between workbook and worksheet. So what is the difference between workbook and worksheet? Worksheet is a single sheet, whereas the workbook are the collections of worksheets that is available. Okay. So a workbook can be any number of sheets that you need. Okay. So you can create sheet by clicking the icon that is available. When I show you, it will be more clear for you. Okay. So these are the basic things that you need to know before we are starting with MS Excel 2010. Okay. So the last but not the least, the last thing I want to tell you is how to get exit from MS Excel. That is, if you are working on a MS Excel workbook, so you need to get exit. So how can we get exit? So either by clicking the icon that is there on the right corner, that into icon, if we click that, it will close our MS Excel. And also we can exit by using our file tab. In file tab we have exit option, by clicking that also we can exit our MS Excel. Exiting means nothing but closing that workbook. Okay. So and also you can use Alt F4 to get exit of MS Excel. So you need to press Alt and F4 key simultaneously to get exit of MS Excel. So these are the things that you need to know before we start our MS Excel. Okay. So I'll give you a live demo so that it will be more clear for you. Can you able to see my laptop have the facility of searching it? So I am typing the name Microsoft Excel 2010. Okay, 2010. Okay. So when I type it, it is showing me here, and either I can select it from there. So if I select it from there, that is my Excel worksheet has opened. I am closing it again and I am typing it again, Microsoft Microsoft Excel. I'm right clicking it to show you how to pin it to start menu. So there is a two option called pin it to start menu and pin it to taskbar. You can choose anything. So first I am choosing pin it to start menu. So if I do that, what it will do? It will be appearing in my start menu. So we'll check that now. So this is my start menu. So can you able to see the Excel has appeared in my start menu. Okay. So this is what this pin it means. Okay. And also by double clicking it, you can open. I'm unpinning it again. So again I'm taking Microsoft Excel to show you how to pin it in taskbar. So again I'm pin to taskbar option I'm selecting. So as the result of which, can you able to see the Excel is pinned to my taskbar. So this is a taskbar and it is pinned to my taskbar. Okay. And by double clicking it, I can open my Excel document. So this is for quick access. Okay. And can you able to see this is my workbook. First, if you want to open a new document, from file tab you need to select new button, and from that you need to select blank workbook and you need to click create. So after that a new workbook will get created. Okay. And also for inserting, so all these things are the ribbon. They are called as ribbon. Okay. So under home tab you have all these options like cut, copy, and you can do bold, italics, underline, and you can change the font size, font faces, you can highlight your text, alignment, indentation, and you can format your cell, you can insert cell, you can delete cell, you can insert row, insert sheet. So all these things can be done with the help of this tool, and you can format your cell, you can give different colors for different cells. Okay. So you can format your table, you can do conditional formatting also. So all these things can be done with the help of this home tab. Okay. Next is the insert tab. So insert tab we can insert shape. So can you able to see different shapes are there. So you can insert shape and we can insert column graphs, pie charts, line graphs, bar graphs. So all these things can be done with the help of insert tab. Okay. A pivot table we can create pivot table also, and we can insert table also. Okay. So the next tab is a page layout tab. So page layout tab we can create a margin and we can give page orientation. We can give colors for different types of colors. We can give background. So all these things can be done with the help of page layout tab. So the next tab is a formula tab. So formula tab will have insert function. So insert function is used to insert function that is available. Can you able to see sum, average, if, hyperlink, count, max, sign. So all these things are the built-in function that are available. And the next one is Autosum. Autosum is also having several options like sum. So your recently used functions will be stored in recently used thing. And financial functions are also available. Okay. So all these things you will be learning in upcoming classes, and logic is also available, that is and, false, if, not, if, else. Text is also available, that is text concatenate. So for joining two text we have text concatenate, and to find the length of the text we have text length. So all these things are done by using this tab. Okay. Then we can set date and time. So this is a lookup and reference. So we can give some lookup and references by using this. Okay. And then we have math operation like aggregate, assign. So all these things are also possible with the help of our MS Excel. And we have other functions also like statistical, engineering, cube, information compatibility. So all these things are also possible. We can also we have calculate option also, that is automatic except for data tables. So all these things are also available. Okay. So data are the source from where our data should be taken. So we can take from access to our Excel, we can take from web, we can take from text to our Excel. So this is an option for taking our data from where, that is we need to import our data from which source, so that can be selected by using this data tab. So and we have a sort function and filter function. So sort is used to arrange our text in ascending or descending, filter is used to filter out our data. And then we have a review button in which we have spell check, translate, research. So all these things are also useful. A view tab, you have normal view, page out view, page break view, custom view. So all these things, any of the view that we need can be selected and can be used. And we have zoom option, free span option. So all these things, more and more options are available. So based on our requirement, we can use the option accordingly. So this is a sheet. So I told you about worksheet, right? So this is a sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. For adding sheet, you can click that. You can click the icon that is there. Okay. So for inserting sheet, you can click that icon. So can you able to see sheets are inserted. So if I want to, so can you able to see my workbook is a collection of worksheet. Okay. So if I want to delete that sheet, I can delete it. Right click, delete. So if I want to rename my sheet, right click, rename. So I am renaming it to class 6. Okay, can you able to see this? Yeah, I have renamed only one sheet as class 6. Okay. So this is a work spreadsheet. So it is consist of rows and columns. So this is a highlighted active sheet. So can you able to see this? A3. So A3 is an active cell. So this is a row and these are the columns. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 are the rows and A, B, C, D are the columns. So if I select, this is a formula bar. So after doing all my operation, I can save it by using the file save as option. Okay. So I can give my name and I can save it. So can you able to see my workbook has saved. So I can exit by using file exit option, or I can click the close button that is there in my title bar. Okay. So both option can be used for exiting my file. So what we saw today, let's summarize now. Okay. So what we saw the introduction class of MS Excel 2010. So this MS Excel 2010 can be start with the help of start menu, all program, Microsoft Office and Microsoft Excel 2010. By choosing these things, these submenus, you can select Microsoft 2010. Okay. Once the documents have opened, we have several components like quick access toolbar, title bar, and then ribbon. So ribbon has several of tab which is used for several purposes. Okay. And also we have seen what is this active cell and what are the cells, what is a column and what are the row, what is a worksheet, what is a workbook. So all these things we have covered in this today's session. Okay. I hope everything is clear to you all. So while saving our MS Excel workbook, so how does it will save? It will save with the extension of .xls. Okay. Whereas our Word documents and all, it will be saved in the format of .docx, so at times x, at times only .doc. Okay. So what is the extension of our MS Excel? .xls. Okay. Now let us move on to our book back exercise. So what is our book back exercise that we have? fill in the blank. A collection of spreadsheets are called workbook. Okay, you need to write workbook. After pinning Excel to the taskbar, Excel option always appear on the right side of the start menu. So, our start menu will be there. So, our Excel option will always appear on the right side. Okay. A tab called dash appears only when they are needed based on the type of task you are doing in Excel. So, what is that? What is the tab? Contextual tab. So, contextual tab appear only when it is needed. Okay. Formatting elements such as text wrap, merging cell, etc. are found in home tab. So, home tab has text wrap, merging cell are found in home tab. Data is stored in the Excel in a worksheet. So, all the data that are stored inside our worksheet and collection of worksheet we call them as workbook. Okay. Related worksheet are accumulated in the computer file and called a workbook. So, all these related worksheets are collectively called as workbook. Okay. I hope it is clear to you all. So, today's session what we saw today, we saw about introduction to MS Excel 2010. I hope this chapter is clear to you all. Kindly go through your text. We will see you in the next class.